Hey, this is good for it to get him to turn his head.
Yeah.
Except he needs to be going the other way. Then.
Might have to help him out.
Okay, Papa, let's not have you get frustrated.
Move it,
Here we go.
You're right, no way.
Foxy! Hey!
Oh.